Hello friends, in this video I'll provide you the solution of NPTEL course Data Structure and Algorithm using Java by Professor Debashis Samanta IIT Kharagpur, and this is of 12 weeks course. The week 3 contents is available here and week 3 assignment is also available. The last date of submission is 16th of August. In this video I'll provide you the solution of week 3 assignment 3. So the first question of this assignment is, which data structure is the collection of finite order and homogeneous data elements? The correct option is option A, that is array. Next question, consider the following piece of code. The code is given here. We have to find out the output of the above code. So the correct option is option B, ACE. The correct output of A is the given code is ACE, option B. Next is question 3. Consider the following program. We have to find out which of the following is the output of the above program. So the correct option is exception. It generates and it produces an exception. Okay. So correct answer is B. Next question is question 4. Consider the program given below. The program is given here, which in this case, which of the following is an output of the above code. So the correct answer is option A, 0. The code produced the 0 as an output. Next question, which of the following statement is true regarding array list in Java? So the correct option is option C, that array list is resizable array that automatically increases its size when elements are added. This is the correct option. Next question 6, which of the following classes implement a dynamic array? So the correct option is option A, array list. Array list is the class that implemented dynamic array. Next question is question 7. Which method is used to remove all elements from an array list? So the question is the correct option is option B, clear. Option B, clear is used to remove all elements from array list. Clear. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Java code? The Java code is here. We have to find out the output. So the correct output is option C, orange. The code print the orange. Next question, what is the time complexity of adding an element at the end of an array list? So the correct option is option A, big O of 1, O of 1. Next and last question, which of the following method is used to find the index of the first occurrence of a specific elements in an array list? So the correct option is option B, index of. Index of method is used to find the index of the first occurrence of a specific element in array list. So this is the assignment solution of the week 3, assignment 3 of NPTEL course Data Structure and Algorithm using Java. Please submit it on or before 16th of August 2023. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.